Hello. So tonight I'm back with another clown makeup. This time I'm gonna be using pretty much only UV paint for this makeup, except for the black parts. So this is gonna be really fun. I'm excited for this. I pretty much waited until it was already dark out because you wouldn't really be able to use the black light during the day. So yeah, and as usual I drew up my little design. So this is what we're going for today. Very colorful. I actually couldn't find the paint at first, but I found it, so we're good. That's pretty much it. I am gonna get all my stuff ready and get set up and start this little clown makeup time lapse for you. Here we go. So here it is, the final look. I wasn't sure when I was working on it if it was gonna turn out okay because the paint isn't the best. It's kind of streaky, which I don't really like, and the colors kind of blend in a little bit. Some of them, like the yellow and the green and the pink and purple and blue, you can barely even tell there's any blue in there. So yeah, not the best paint. I think next time I buy UV paint, I will invest in better quality ones, but it more or less got the job done and it looks pretty cool. So yeah, and it didn't take me very long either, so that's cool. Don't buy generic cheap craft fluorescent body paint, because it's probably not gonna be that good. But anyway, so yeah, here's my fluorescent clown look, my UV neon blacklight reactive clown. I freaking love how it looks with my hair, and it blends in like, or not blends in, it matches the color really well. The green, like yellowy parts match really, really well. So that's really cool. And yeah, this is my first time doing a blacklight clown, which is actually kind of surprising, honestly, because I love blacklight stuff. But yeah, I really need to do more of those. But yeah, here's the look. I actually do really like how it turned out, so yeah, that wasn't for nothing. And also I'm wearing a rainbow top, kind of matches. It does look weird from far away, but yeah, let me turn off the light again. Wow, I love it. And my PJ pants are glowing too. But yes, here she is. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave me a like. And if you have seen my other clown videos, comment if this is your new favorite. And yeah, let me know what other looks you want to see that I haven't done yet. So yeah, give me ideas and like themes and I don't know, color combos that you want me to use, and just like anything. Yeah, let me know. Yeah, if you're unsubscribed yet and you like this kind of content, I have other clown makeup videos and just artsy videos on here. So yeah, if you like any of that, you should subscribe. Yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you have an amazing night, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.
On to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.